with
the Moro National Liberation Front. Now, alam niyo, ang amnesty power of the government is a coordinate power of the executive and the legislature. By the executive through the president and by the legislature through our two-chamber Congress, the House of Representatives and Senate. Ang nangyayari po, mag-i-issue ng proclamation for the grant of amnesty by the President at sinasalat and the concurrence of Congress is required. Thereafter, the process of amnesty will commence. Yun po ang nasasaad sa ating Constitution. But ultimately, the grant of amnesty is done by the President. Ang mandato po ng National Amnesty Commission is to receive and process the amnesty applications and submit recommendations to the Office of the President, whether for the approval or denial of amnesty proclamations po. Yun po ang mandato namin. Yun po ang proseso ng consideration of amnesty applications in general.